Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope are you all good brothers and sisters. Today we are starting Arabic alphabets in English and practice the alphabets phonics with sound. Arabic sound series 1 in English by Quran teacher Sumbal Mahmood. Welcome to Tajweed of Quran Academy. So my viewers should subscribe and share my channel. We are starting Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Introduction to the Arabic letters. It is the helping tools of Tajweed when you learn the Tajweed easily. Number 1, learning Arabic is not difficult, it is very easy. That's why the Quran is in very simple and excellent word. Number 2, I will make you understand the Arabic words in a sound that you can listen and practice speaking on your own. Number 3, the most important task should be the recognition of words, that is of the alphabet. Number 4, you can watch and read our videos again and again. It is completely free. We are starting Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif is sounded a. Alif is sounded a. Alif shorted alif a. Alif a. English alphabet, that is the a. Alif. Example of alif. Alif plus that alif. Alif zabar a. Alif is 1 and that the plus and it's make hamza because zamama is here, zabar is here. Alif a. Example anta a. An hamza zabar noon an. Anta. Next ama. Amala. Anta amala. Ahadun. Asadun. Amara. Anta a. I hope you understand the alif phonic sound. You keep practicing. God willing, you will be good with the Arabic words Tajweed. Inshallah. Wa alaikumussalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.